I think acrylic paints are a great start to art journaling or mixed media. Do you want to why? First, they are very easy to access. Second, they are very easy to use. Third, they dry very fast, and when they dry, it's very easy to work on because they are permanent. Hi, I am Umut. Welcome to Art Journal Stories, my second online class tutorial. In the first one, I prepared another scenery to tell a story through an art journal for beginners. And in the second one, I prepared another story through an art journal page with another focus in my mind. Here is my first page for the first class that you can find over Etsy. It's a beautiful jungle scenery that I prepared, and you get both the video and all the digital stamps that you see here, and actually more. And for this one, I prepared an underwater scenery with a very nice fish, with less images and more focus on acrylic paints actually. If you are familiar with my channel, you would know that I love acrylic paints. I know a lot about them. Actually, I'm also an abstract artist, and I do canvas paintings with acrylic paints too. But I am a lover of art journaling, so I use acrylic paints very heavily in my art journaling as well. And I get a lot of questions about them, and I understand that it can be very overwhelming because there are a lot of acrylic paint brands, types of acrylic paints, gesso or not gesso, a lot of things. So in my second class, I focused on teaching you all there is to know about acrylics on a basic and beginner level. So after this, you will be very confident to choose your acrylic paints, to use them, and to experiment with them. Because this is a beginner class, I made my page as simple as possible, and I used only acrylic paints and these digital stamps that you see on this page. So you won't need anything else to create this page with me. Only paints and the digital stamps that I will provide you with the class anyway. So you can download them, print with me. I will also teach you how to change the size of them or use them differently. We will do it together on computer, and we will paint all these images with acrylic paint as well, and also do the background with acrylic paint. These are also painted images, so you don't have to have them. We will make them together. In this class, additionally, I will talk about color theory, how to create an impactful page using contrasting colors, how to look at color wheel to help you choosing colors, gesso, to use it or not, types of gesso, types of acrylic paints, and brands, because I know a lot of brands, brushes, how to use them, how to select them for acrylic paints, how to clean them. And as you see here, there is sand, there is a sea background. So I will teach you how to create a simple but beautiful sea scenery, a beach scenery, using acrylic paints. I created this with only acrylic paints. I also didn't use a massive color palette that I have all the colors under my hand. I used a few colors, but I taught how to mix them to get any color that you want. So we created sand, sea foam, sea waves, and a beautiful sea background that has many colors in it. I also didn't use any stamps or stencils in this video for the purpose of keeping it simple and using as little as possible in terms of products, so you could create the same page as me. Therefore, I created all the texture again with acrylics that you will learn from this video. So there is a lot in this video. Don't miss it. It's now in my Etsy shop. I will put the link down below at the description area. Prepare your paints and create with me. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.